Most Pattaya hotels are a complete minefield. You book what looks like a five-star dream online and you walk into an absolute nightmare. Rooms that haven't been cleaned in months and security that doesn't exist. But what if I told you the smartest way to protect your trip is to book the most boring hotel in the city? Sitting right in the middle of Pattaya's wildest street, the Holiday Inn Soi Bukhao promises zero surprises. Is spending $60 a night for a basic room actually a brilliant move, or is it just an overpriced trap? Let's step inside and find out. Welcome to the standard room at the Holiday Inn Express Pattaya Central. Let's get straight to the point. This room is not going to win any architectural awards. It's a box. But look at what you actually get. A highly comfortable bed, strong air conditioning that actually beats the 35-degree heat, a digital safe big enough for all your camera gear, and a shower with instant hot water. Let's talk about the biggest double-edged sword of this hotel, the location. We are right on Soi Bukhao. Why does this matter? Logistics. When you're out exploring the city, easily walking 15 to 18 kilometers a day to take in the sights, the absolute last thing you want is a 20-minute commute through terrible traffic just to get back to your bed. You step out of this lobby and everything is right there. Convenience stores, transport, and local food. Speaking of food, let's talk about the breakfast. It's included in your rate and it gets the job done. It's not a massive 5-star spread, but it's clean, well-stocked, and safe. I always need my extra prick nampla and a good hit of bird chilies to kickstart my morning, and having a reliable, hygienic buffet downstairs before a massive day of walking is a massive win. After logging all those kilometers in the humidity, coming back to a spotless room, turning on the air conditioning, and sipping a chill chang beer to unwind without a single worry in the world, that is when you realize exactly what your $60 paid for. Now, we have to talk about the catch. I mentioned earlier that Soi Bukhao is a double-edged sword. Here is the sharp end. Pattaya is loud. Soi Bukhao is the heartbeat of that noise. If you're placed in a room facing the street on a lower floor, you are going to hear the music until 3 a.m. Sound travels. When you check in, you must specifically request a quiet room facing away from the main street. Outside the room, the facilities actually punch above their weight for an express hotel. The gym isn't just a sad corner with 2 dumbbells. It's a functional space. The pool is surprisingly well maintained and a great spot to escape the street-level chaos. So, what is the final verdict? You do not book the Holiday Inn Pattaya for a romantic getaway or to get aesthetic photos for Instagram. You book it because you are a smart traveler who wants a stress-free logistical hub. You are paying for a well-trained staff, impenetrable security, and a guarantee that you won't get ripped off. If you value your security and predictability over a cheap price tag, this is absolutely value for money. Location 9.5. You can't get more central. Comfort 8.5. Basic but highly effective. Cleanliness 9.0. Spotless global standards. Value for money 8.5. Expensive for Pattaya but worth the protection. That gives the Holiday Inn Express Pattaya Central a solid 8.8 out of 10 on the Travel Sure Index. We need to travel smarter and protect our peace of mind. If there is another hotel in Thailand you want me to test out, drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Stay safe, travel smart, and I'll see you in the next one.